Hey everyone, this is Gleb Bakhmutov, and today I'm continuing playing with TanStack router using Cypress as a demo/playground. In this demo, I'll show an outlet for a nested route. I have an employees component which loads through its loader a list of employees and shows it. And I do have a link to a particular employee/employee/ID. Each employee will be shown in the outlet above the list, and the employee route, the individual one, takes a parameter, which is employee ID, uses the API to request it from /API/employees/ID, gets the JSON back, returns it to the employee component, uses the data, and just outputs first name, last name. It's pretty easy to see the list of employees. Just like before, we will intercept the initial get API employees, and we can return a picture employees. And I like giving my intercept an alias so I can confirm that they were used. The employees JSON in my fixtures is just a list of employees, 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way to 11. All right, so once we set up the intercept, we can visit the home page and we should see, well, we can go directly to the employees page and we can see the list of employees. We can confirm it. So if we get li employee, I believe, the length is 11. And just to confirm that our get employees was used and it's not a coincidence, we checking that it was really used by looking at the alias and waiting for it. All right, we see 11 employees. Let's click on Ivy Thomas and boom, we don't have anything responding to API employees 11. So here's how we can set it up. We want to use the same fixture information between the list of employees and individual employee. So this is why we can simply load employees and we get a list, and we can stop the initial get with just employees. So this should be employees plural. All right, let's see if this works. Still works. We don't have a type for this JSON data, no worries. We have this type in our project. We can import it and say that this JSON fixture returns employee array. So now we have no warnings and we know what each employee object contains. All right, so this was the list, and what we can do next, we can say if you intercept get to API employees, and let's look at the last one. So ID was 11, then we'll return employee number 10, which starts with 0, so that will be the 11th. And we say Alice get employee 11. Okay, so let's see how this is used. Now, if we try clicking on Ivy Thomas, boom, we're actually getting the outlet with individual employee route. All right, let's confirm this. We can say after we site contains li employee IV Thomas, click, and we'll wait for get employee 11. Well, it's a link, but inside there is actual anchor. So we need to find the anchor component. Now we're transitioning to employee/11. Let's confirm this. We can say sci location path name should equal employee/11. Perfect. And let's confirm that this employee information is shown. Let's see what the markup. Okay, class employee, and there is a class name. Perfect. So we can say sci get that employee. Let's say find name and not even contain. We can be very precise. We can say it should equal to Ivy Thomas. Should have text. Sorry, not equal. Okay. So this was our Cypress preparation, right? To visit the page, load the list of employees, right? Find one of them, click on it, and then load information for one particular nested route provided by TanStack router. One other addition that I like using right now is to use Cypress plugin steps. I already installed it, so it's in my support file together with my typical plugins that I use, Cypress Map, Cypress Real Events, but it allows me to clearly mark each step of my test. So this would be preparation, and this could be step go to an employee route. Okay, so preparation, go to employee route, clearly marked in the command log. Perfect. Find more TanStack route demo videos in this playlist that I put on YouTube channel. There's also a link to the source code for this example app with its tests.